Oh.
Still looks pretty.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying it's bent.
A little bit more. So if I put one full brick, if I put one full brick, it'll be right there.
Well, then you'll have to do funny stuff right here.
I gotta do funny stuff all the time. I have boys.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, bud.
Are you gonna start putting sheep to farm again?
But
Mom, one just hit my foot. Inside my foot.
Oh, man. Chocolate milk, huh?
shake.
That's tasty.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's chocolate peanut butter milk.
What?
Mom put his chocolate milk and he's like, I mean, I don't know what it is.
Knocking down mud daubers that we didn't do before we moved in.
We did.
Not enough.
Mom.
Yeah. Last little strip of flooring. We only have this piece and then the floor is done. Working on foaming the ceiling. It has the low E and then we're putting a 2-inch foam. And then we will use the great stuff to do like over here and foam it. So we've got a lot of insulation done. This you can see is not done yet. We're running out of insulation, so we'll have to go get some more. These outer walls are put up now, and then we have the bedrooms along, but we did get the peaks mostly done. It's not spray foamed in yet, or in the gaps. And then we have the bedrooms all along here. The children think that they look like horse stalls. So what we're going to do is put Dutch doors on with their name so that it's authentic. Just kidding. Not going to do that, but I thought it was funny. And then we're going to box in a big bedroom right here. And then this will be like a wide, short hallway to go out a back deck with a door there. So the plan is hopefully tomorrow to, I was going to say fence it in, but fence it in is not the word. Frame it in. Frame in the last bedroom, bathroom. And the flooring is all done. We had this little strip along here, not done for too long. So there's one more piece clear down at that end that is not nailed down, but that's the last one. So I guess it's not actually done, but basically. Our plan is this, I'll show you. This thicker, more compressed, yeah, good word, is going to go on top of this pink foam. And then this fluffy stuff is going to go in the floor joists because it is sound proofing. So that's when we're walking up here, we don't want to hear it down there. So we'll do that there. And it might go, I'm not sure what he's thinking or not. It might go to soundproof the bedroom so that people can sleep better too. We will see. I don't know. I want it on my bedroom because I like silence. But just a little update. And if I don't post this video before tomorrow, then I will catch the framing if we're getting to that. So we're getting somewhere and it feels really good to get there. And I just realized my mic is not plugged in. I might need to redo that footage. We'll see. Hopefully not.
Why is this fan not on anymore?
Don't ask me.
Good.
+7.
Need tape.
Here you go.
So this is our addition. We've got the stairs over there, 5 bedrooms, and then I need to move slower. So we have a large bathroom here, and then over there is the master bathroom and the master bedroom. So we're in the main everybody bathroom. This bathroom will have just the entrance from the bedroom. And then we're gonna have a really large bedroom for a sitting area and just a quiet place to be. I'm not sure the measurements. I think the bathrooms are 8 foot and 8 foot from that wall. So I think this is 16 by, I'm not sure what, 12 maybe. And then this hall is, I don't know, 6 or 7 feet. It's the length of, let's see, 10, 12, it's about 25 feet by maybe 6 or 7. So I feel like that's kind of wasted space, but it has 4 doors in it, and it will have a door out back. So it'll be 5 doors, but this is a decent sized wall to still put something on, cabinet or something. And then there's 2 more walls that could have a cabinet or something, maybe a coat tree. So I don't think it'll be wasted space. I just don't like hallways. Then I don't know what the size of this is, but from all that to that wall back there is the living room, dining room, crafty area. Though one of our cabins will probably be crafts too, because we got a lot. This is our goal for part of this week, to get rid of some of our mountain of insulation, double reasoning, save money on our electric because we are already running the mini split. And also this takes up a massive amount of space. So we've got most of the purple insulation up, or pink, and then not all of it. We'll finish filling in the gaps with what we have and probably have to buy more. But this main common area is going to be quite large. And obviously you can see it's quite a mess. And then this will be the front entryway and the stairs. And it's super exciting.